Imagine a car that doesn't quite fit the mold. Is it a fastback, a sedan, a crossover? No, it's something else entirely. This is the 2026 Peugeot 408 GT, and it's here to blur the lines, break the rules, and redefine what it means to be bold on four wheels. Now I know what you're thinking, Peugeot. Aren't they the stylish French guys who make compact cars and cafe-friendly hatchbacks? Well, buckle up, because the 408 GT is not your average European commuter. It's a head-turner with attitude and the soul of a rebel. Let's dive in. First, glance and you're not quite sure what you're looking at. That's the point. With its low-slung coupe-like silhouette, muscular haunches, and aggressive front grille, the 408 GT looks like it just stepped off the set of a futuristic spy movie. The fastback design flows into an elevated stance, giving you the best of both sedan sleekness and SUV presence. And those fang-like LED DRLs, they bite. Not literally, but visually they hit like lightning. The 19-inch wheels, they're sculpted, not just built. And the signature Obsession blue paint, that's not a color, it's a statement. This car doesn't just look different, it feels different. Under the hood, Peugeot offers something clever. The 408 GT comes with a punchy 1.6L plug-in hybrid powertrain that churns out a combined 225 horsepower. But it's not about raw speed, it's about refined aggression. You get silent electric cruising for the city and instant torque when you hit the open road. Need to go from calm to thrilling in a blink? Just tap the throttle, and the steering? It's sharp, razor sharp, like carving a baguette with a samurai sword. This isn't a car that begs for attention, it owns it. Step inside, and suddenly you're in Peugeot's i-Cockpit, a space that feels like the bridge of a spaceship. The compact steering wheel? It sits low, almost sporty. The 10-inch digital instrument cluster floats above it, perfectly positioned in your line of sight. And the center touchscreen? It's crystal clear, hyper-responsive, and customizable with Peugeot's new i-toggles. Touch-sensitive shortcuts that make you feel like you're commanding a Star Trek console. Materials? Soft touch everything. Alcantara, leather, ambient lighting. It's French luxury done with futuristic finesse. And the best part? It doesn't just look smart, it is smart. The 2026 408 GT is loaded. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking. It's practically your co-pilot. But here's a fun one. It can park itself. Hands off, feet up, let the 408 handle it. And with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly integrated, your playlist, your maps, and your messages are just a voice command away. Oh, and the Focal Premium sound system. It doesn't play music. It performs it. Let's be real. Most cars in this segment play it safe. They either try too hard to look sporty or lean too heavily into practicality. But the Peugeot 408 GT, it dares to be something else. It's the car you buy when you're tired of blending in, when you want performance and practicality but refuse to compromise on style or tech. And maybe, just maybe, it's the most interesting car you didn't even know you wanted. So, what do you think? Has Peugeot just created the boldest crossover coupe sedan of the decade? If this unique beast caught your attention, let's keep the ride going. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories behind the world's most intriguing cars, because this was just the beginning.